if you no sabi anything for JavaScript, at least you na sabi wetin be if statements. We dey use if statements to check if something dey true for our program so that we go fit move on to the next step. And if something no dey true, we fit do another thing or skip that part of the code completely. See this example wey I be give now. We dey use am check if our users dey old enough to vote. So when dem dey register, we go don collect their details and then we go save am inside this age variable. So once we get our age variable, we go just use if statement to check if this variable age dey equal to or greater than 18. I purely say if you dey write if statement for JavaScript, wetin you dey check go dey inside these parentheses. Then wetin you want do after you don check am go dey inside these curly braces. For this code now, if our users no dey greater than 18, then our code no go run. But if you want make you do something, if that first condition no dey true, then you go add else statement. You see say we don add else for this one now, so that if e first check if this condition dey true and e no dey true, e go skip the first curly braces, then e go jump to this else and e go do wetin dey inside this else. But if the first condition dey true, then e go do wetin dey the first curly braces and e no go do wetin dey inside the else. I go dey explain more programming concepts like this for Pidgin, so make sure say you follow this page for more. Thank you for your attention to this matter.